Everyone's talking about AI, but only a few people are actually learning it. Here are 4 world-class AI courses you can start for free right now. Number 1 is Fast.ai. This is the most practical deep learning course on the internet and it is 100% free, no strings attached. Visit course.fast.ai to get started. Number 2, Kaggle Learn. This is a short interactive micro courses that teach you machine learning and give you real data to practice on. Visit kaggle.com/learn. Number 3 is Google Cloud Skills Boost. This is a beginner-friendly intro to generative AI and it is complete with a badge you can add to your LinkedIn. Number 4 is Hugging Face NLP course. Here you'd learn natural language processing with hands-on projects for free. Visit huggingface.co/learn/NLP courses to get started. Here is a professional tip. Don't start all 4 at once. Pick one, finish it, then move to the next. If you have no tech background, start with elements of AI. If you want job skills, try OpenAI Academy. If you want to code, go for Harvard CS50. Learn just 30 minutes a day. That beats 5 hours once a week. You can also join AI communities on Reddit, Discord, or LinkedIn, where you learn twice as fast with others. And don't just study, build something, because theory without practice is a total waste of time. Here's the truth. Most AI experts online never took any real course. They just watched YouTube and started talking. But these ones, they are from Harvard, MIT, Google, and OpenAI. They are real credentials and real projects. Yes, they are harder than TikTok tutorials, but that's why they actually work. And no, certificates alone don't get jobs. Skills plus projects plus networking do. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to be consistent and curious. So here's your 8-week starter plan. Week 1 to 2, pick one beginner course like Elements of AI or OpenAI Academy. Week 3 and 4, finish it, take notes, join the community. Week 5 and 6, build one small project. Week 7 and 8, share your progress online. Month 2, start your second course. Month 3, build your portfolio. By month 6, you'll know more AI than 90% of people talking about it online. The secret is just start today. 4 world-class AI courses, $0, 0 excuses. So while everyone else is thinking about learning AI someday, you'll actually be doing it. 2 million people already started. Most will quit in week 1. Don't be most people. Bookmark this. Pick one course. Start tonight. Your future self will thank you later. Learn AI. Build your future. Start today. Follow at Global Desk with Damilola. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.